Today, we will talk about goal seeking. Goal seeking is the process of finding the correct input value when only the output is known. The function of goal seeking can be built into different kinds of computer software programs like Microsoft Excel. Goal seeking is a general term used to describe the process involved in figuring out your input value based on an already known output value. The process involves using a specific operator in a formula, which can be calculated using computer software. As mentioned above, goal-seeking software will only work if you already know the output value but want to determine one input value. Here are some key steps you can follow if you want to use the goal-seek feature in the program. Enter the values you already have, then you will have to determine the interest rate. A goal-seeking entrepreneur is someone who uses goal-seeking to determine how they can reach their ultimate goals. For example, an entrepreneur may ask how much they will need to make per hour to gross $100,000 in a year. They know their desired output value, $100,000, and will, therefore, have to work back in order to figure out the optimum input. That means they will have to determine how many hours they will be able to work during the year, and therefore, how much they will earn for each hour to reach their goal. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Goal seeking is finding the correct input when only the output is known. 2. This is often done using the goal seek function in Microsoft Excel or what-if analysis via computer programs. 3. Goal seek software only works if there's only one input value, however. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.